Hey guys, thanks for checking out my tutorial. This one is for a red yarn wig. And you're gonna need a couple things. You're gonna need some felt. I got this at the dollar store. You're gonna need some yarn. I had this yarn already. You're gonna need a measuring tape and also some scissors. Mine are not sharp and they cut poorly. So you're gonna need some sharp scissors. And you're also gonna need some pins. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is measure your head. You want to start from your hairline on your forehead and as if you're going to do a part down your hair over like the top of your head to the base of your neck. So whatever that measurement is, you're going to need 2 of these pieces. So you can double that number and cut your fabric and then cut it in half again. So I just marked it on my felt and snip, snip, snip. And oh, these scissors. So now I'm just folding it in half and I'm gonna cut it in half. And that'll give me 2 pieces of felt that are the right length. So the next thing you want to do is decide how long you want your wig to be. So I wanted my hairs to fall from the middle part to about 20 inches in length. So I thought if I double that to 40 and then just cut one end of the loops, then I would be able to lay the yarn down over my felt and sew it down the middle. So that's what I proceeded to do to mixed success. So you can see here I've gathered up a couple of layers and everything's going all right until around here when I dropped a loop and then I was like, no, this isn't working. So I switched gears and I thought, well, I'll just wrap the yarn around something, and then oh no, I made a big mess. Oh man. Pain in the butt. So I managed to get it untangled and wrapped around my counter. And then what I did was pulled all of the yarn off the counter and cut one end of it so that now I have strips of yarn that are 40 inches long. Then the next thing you want to do is lay the yarn across your felt and then put the other piece of felt on top of it and pin it down. Before you pin it, you want to sort of make sure that your yarns are equally spaced and thick where you want them to be thick, maybe towards the front. Then you start sewing. And the trick here is that you only want to sew through the yarn and one piece of felt. The other one is there just to sort of keep everything in place while you're sewing. Then you snip away some of this extra felt. Because for me, I tried it on and the felt was a bit rigid, a bit stiff, and it was sort of, you could see that it was there. So I just snipped the very front part and then sort of at an angle going down. Okay, there you have it, displayed on a lovely fan. If you want, you can trim the bottom. This is really simplistic wig, great for kids, or if you're just wanting to do something quick for Halloween. I'm probably going to use this for a Sally Nightmare Before Christmas makeup look. And it looks pretty cute when it's braided up like this. All right, that's all for this tutorial. Hope you learned something. We'll see you in the next one.